channel, we're gonna be playing PUBG. This is the new car in PUBG.
Yeah.
There's
no machine guns anymore in the game. There's only these kinds.
Ah!
Yeah, dude, for real, don't break.
But look at what can happen, guys. Ah!
And look. Hell yeah.
We can kill people.
We can also aim at people.
We can aim at our friends.
Let's do it. Let's go to number 3. He's driving a vehicle.
Number 3. You're so dead, number 3. We're going on road. This might be a little bit more faster, dude. I never got my driver's license. Bro, it turns so more. Is that a bad guy? Wait, they're everywhere. I didn't turn in time. Where did they go? They're so far away.
Javi, you know all the cars changed to the machine guns?
They did?
Yes.
Ow.
Isn't that cool?
I lost health.
Same, bro. Thanks a lot. I don't even have bandages on me.
I do. 3. I'm joking. I only have 2.
Well, 1 for you, 1 for me. Yeah, watch out.
Dude, it turns so fast.
Well, you just did too.
I fell off.
Oh, crap.
Help me. I can't believe you have that face mask. I don't even have a backpack.
Let's go to the supply drop instead.
But I don't even have a backpack, dude.
You know what, Javi? I'll let you use your bandage. Oops, whatever.
I'm gonna change for like that I can heal. I just realized I have 2 medikits.
Can't have them.
Oh. Oh yeah, I thought I did. Okay.
Drop it. Thank you.
Where's the supply drop? There's one next to us.
Let's go to it.
Over there. Tell me where to go. Oops.
Yep, keep on going straight then.
All the way over here, huh?
Yes.
Dun, 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 dun. Ow!
Ow, dude.
Are they going towards it? They're going towards it.
What?
High speed chase. Oh, this.
No. Yes.
It's a high jump, dude. It's a high jump. Oh.
Dude, let's take that one instead right there. Does that one go faster?
No.
Let's go, dude.
Why is it going slow? Oh, no. No, you're joking. It's running out of gasoline.
Let's just run for now, dude. Come on. You can take that fat rocket launcher.
Huh?
You can take the fat rocket launcher. That's it. Can I take the machine gun, please? Go ahead. Grab the fat rocket launcher for you.
I don't even have a backpack.
Yes, you do. You have the level 3, bro.
Oh!
No fail.
Baby.
No fail.
I'm gonna get my...
I thought machine guns weren't in the game anymore.
Why?
Does I have a machine gun?
Whoa!
Yo.
I killed him.
Dude, don't worry about killing his house. Can I take that back? The backpack that they have?
I want to take that mask.
They don't even have a backpack.
They don't?
Oh.
This mask is
Alright, let's go,
something.
dude. We have to get the fast car now.
I have all rocket launcher.
Wait, what?
I have everything rocket launcher.
Well, I have a machine gun. You drive.
Okay. But we might... Wait, they did change? Baby.
This is a small machine gun.
Is there another supply drop? Oh, there is over there.
Let's do it.
It's kind of out of the storm, but let's risk it for biscuits. Get out this car.
Do we grab that one?
Come on.
But this one's more faster and we'll get to the supply drop faster.
How do you think we got more fast?
Dude, wait
I'm
up.
trying to turn around it.
Don't crash me, bro. Chill.
You protect the machine gun. We're
I
gonna go
can
to.
look anywhere. And I'm also sitting down in the chair so I got my feet over.
You're what?
I'm sitting down.
You are? You're just standing up.
What? It shows me that I'm sitting. Hold on.
Ah!
Shit.
Yeah, I thought you fell off.
Imagine.
Bro, that was a pee turn.
Hey, dude, can we stop at a house?
Supply weapons crate has spawned. More supply crates.
Dude, we have to go to them, bro.
Whoa. Yeah. Dude, hold on tight.
Keep on going, dude.
Hold on to your butts.
Can I have that level 3 backpack that's gonna be in there?
Ah!
Yeah, watch out. Can I have the level 3 backpack that's gonna be in there?
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Oh.
Oh my god, chill.
Oh, God.
We're so close, come on.
Hold on to your butts, dude. Yeah, yeah.
Look, do you see it?
Oh, I see it.
Watch out with the tree.
Oh. At least we made it, dude.
Yes. We're here.
What happens if I burn it?
Don't burn it. We're here. Abby, stop driving. We're still level 3.
Can I take the machine gun?
Yes. We're still level 3 back there. Oh, I only have it on.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, can you take that bullets? Those bullets of the rocket
Yeah.
launchers for our rockets? We have like the best look honestly right now.
Oops. Get on. Now where are we going? To the supply crate.
Yes.
We're getting every supply crate. Huh. Yes, this is all baby.
Oh, you like my shirt that I got from someone?
Yeah, I got the same mask as you. Ah! Why is it turning? Ah!
Yeah, dude. Just that your shirt is kind of like mine, but yours is red.
Mm.
Dude, Chad,
Why is it red?
Don't go over there. Don't go over there, dude.
Ah! It's turning by itself.
Let's go. No.
Ah!
Dude, don't fall in the water for real, bro. For real.
Stop the light! It's turning by itself.
Chill.
Okay, we're kind of good.
I'm in now. For real, stop.
Dude, why does it turn by itself sometimes?
I have no idea, babe. Look, someone.
Fire! Oh yeah. Why doesn't the fire work no more? The fire. There's no more gasoline! And now there's super weapon crates! We might not even make it, dude. We might have to run. Follow me! Drop your weapons. It's kind of fast.
Dude, over here.
No, it's over here.
That's why.
Dude, if you carry the machine gun, it's so heavy.
I know.
What about the rocket launcher? Nah.
Over there.
Where? Oh!
Yeah, good luck, dude. Quick.
Why am I wearing a red shirt?
Dude, just hurry.
Oh, yes!
Yes.
This is so pee-pee. Probably because we ate that McDonald's.
What kind of car was that?
What car?
There's a car back there.
There is? Did we check it out?
Sure. Whoa, chill.
Whoa, it turns by itself. Dude, stop. Where?
It was over here. Chill.
There's nothing here.
There's one here. For real.
Probably did. Probably you just saw, huh?
Yeah.
Probably was just that old car. Oh,
Oh, Joe.
I kind of have to heal up, but I'll heal up when we get over there.
Let's go to number 3 and kill him.
How?
They sabotage.
Okay,
First,
okay.
we destroy sabotage.
And what happens if he has a rocket launcher?
We have one.
Oh yeah, we can just kill him.
First, I can use my scope.
Oh, I fell off! Ow!
Hurry! Stop falling off.
You're looking at my butt. Well, hold up, dude. Heal up until you before we go. Oh, I have a medikit.
No worries. I have some more. Okay.
But the one that I have heals me all the way.
I know.
Oh, but you're already using it, huh? Get on while we do drive. We gotta kill number 3. That's our mission.
We're gonna sabotage.
Oh no, he's close to the supply crate.
No.
He might be taking it. No!
No, you did chill.
It turned. Yeah.
You're gonna have to sabotage him when he gets in the car. You're gonna chase him sneakily.
It's the school again.
Stop, dude, stop. Hold up, no. Just drive in there like crazy and use our machines. Hold up, dude, don't get in there. Dude, get back to the car, quick.
Okay. We're gonna drive into crazy.
Hold up, kill the bad guy first.
Nah, he will handle it. Go! Ah, shoot at him! Shoot!
Stop now.
Shoot!
Wait, dude, I see an enemy back there.
Hey!
Yeah. No.
Yo,
I'm
bro!
gonna die, bro.
Bro, I'm gonna kill him.
Kill him.
Huh? Does that not kill him?
I'm really sorry.
Who said that?
Yo, let me kill. I need help.
Where are you?
I'm over here on the grass. I've been running.
It's her?
Please, bro, hurry.
What happened to you?
Go to my number, quick. And bend down, quick. Get down.
What's happening, dude?
Look, there's someone over there aiming at me.
Stop moving.
See?
Don't worry, dude. Come on, we'll make it out. Go!
Oh.
I thought he died.
Get back here.
Oh, jeez.
No, over here, dude. Get inside the school. Let number 3 handle it. Leave me.
Dude, that was a close one, dude. No, I have medikit. You want that?
No worries, dude. I found one. Ah! I had bears. Ah.
Oh!
I stabbed myself. Watch out. Bend down like this, dude. Get down to the ground. Get down to the ground. Shh. Dude, no, don't go over there.
He died.
You did?
Yeah.
I'm coming, dude.
But I think number 3 already took his loot. The supply crate.
Yo, he's leaving us.
Yo, bro.
Chill.
Bro.
That's it. Aim at him. Wait, no, don't aim at him.
He's coming down. He's not even coming down.
That's it. Yo, bye.
It's him.
Take it.
Get on. Leaving. Oh, whoa. Watch out. Chill.
Dude, I can't turn around the gun too much.
Oh, whoa. Chill. Chill. What are you doing?
I have a rocket in this helicopter.
What is this all, baby?
Dude, let's get out of here.
Oh, where are we supposed to go? We're going really high, okay, dude? Oh!
Jump,
Ah!
jump.
A helicopter!
The helicopter. Hop back in there. Who cares? Run, because the band's on. Jump! Run towards it.
They're just wasting their bullets.
We should make them waste the bullets.
Go!
Oh, shoot at them.
Wow! Go! Get on! Whoa! You gotta get out of here, dude. What have we done? Yeah, they can't catch us. Shoot them.
Aim at them. Stop.
No! I lost. Someone is shooting at us.
Over there, look.
Ow, the helicopter fell on me! Mayday, I'm stuck!
What do I do?
I'm
Go
stuck!
like this.
I can't get out!
Ah,
I'm stuck in the helicopter!
I'll protect us.
I'm stuck in the helicopter!
Bend down like this.
I'm trying! It says they won't! Come for me, dude!
No. I might have to shoot.
No, dude. I need help. Dude, I can't! Don't destroy it! Yeah, destroy it!
Wait, it's already destroyed.
Ow! I'm stuck!
Dude, I can't leave you.
How does it look on your screen?
Ah.
Help me, dude.
Wait, maybe if I bring a vehicle.
What are you saying?
Maybe if I bring a vehicle.
Dude, you better hurry up. The storm's coming for me.
No.
That's it.
No.
Yeah! Grenade! 3, 2, 1. See, nice seeing you, soldier.
Don't. I actually found a car.
Oh, it was just a smoke grenade. Run this over. Or...
No, I'm gonna drive a car.
Come on, it's adventurous.
I'm gonna make you hop on it. Okay?
Hurry, the storm is coming. Come on.
Get on.
Yes, we did it.
Now get off of the car.
I can't get off. Drive it off.
The car's
Dude, I can't exit the vehicle. Help me. Pick up my card.
But there's nowhere to get it.
Yes, there is.
Okay, I'll pick it up, dude. I'm not healing you, number 3.
You see it?
No, I can't get it. Let's jump to number 3. Well, that's it.
Kill Edmonton.
Good luck seeing you too.
Ethan. It's what they. I want to see him die. Kill him.
What they deserve.
Come on, Ethan. Come on. Oh, they're so close to dying. Come on. Yeah. Kill yourself, Ethan. Be next to where I was. I was actually stuck.
Yay! Goodbye.
Goodbye, shoulder.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's anyways what they deserve, huh?
Of course, Hoppy. They never should have killed us.
Like, bro. We came in. You came in first place. I came in second place.
I came in first.
Restart.
Hell yeah.
Guys, final round, and then it's the end of the video.
We're gonna do a different one, okay?
The zombie?
Huh?
Which one? My ears are hot. Which one are we gonna do? Do I press it ready? Hold up. That's what they deserve.
Because what did they teach us?
They just tried and kill us. Now, who was on there?
What did they deserve?
To die.
Press ready.
I want to see something now.
Yeah, bye.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
Which one are we doing?
Look. I don't know if it's your favorite one.
What is it? Oh, I like this.
Let's hope that your teammates want me.
Come on, let me see this. Change.
Yo, we were next to each other. I think we are teammates. Because look, those two are next to each other. Are we teammates?
We better. Yeah, that'll be perfect for the final team. I mean, for the final round.
You shoved your butt inside my camera.
This? Like this?
No, look. Placement. Oh, never mind.
What weapon is this?
What card did you choose?
Just a fat one.
We are with each other.
We are! I'm driving it. Wait, who's shooting?
Me.
Yeah. Let me take it. Yeah.
Keep on crashing into them, dude.
Ow, 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 ow.
Dude, go to the one that's low on health.
What the? And where is that?
Over there on A.
A?
Mhm.
Yeah. No. Oh, I thought
Go
we
to
died.
B instead.
We're about to die.
No, we died.
die.
Let's go! Am I a good driver?
Mhm.
No, we needed a repair. Oh well.
Oh, wait, we're all the way full, dude.
I know, but we could have just wasted it.
I
I was the one that threw that. Sorry. Shoot at him.
have to reload. I think he got the repair. Don't let him get it. No!
Let's go.
Again?
Get him! Get him, get him! He's got no help! Wow.
Oh, yeah. Let's go, dude. Wait, we're blue team, huh?
Ah, dead! Dude, we're gonna do... I'm front!
Huh? I have to reload. We need a box. It's on the other side.
Darn it. I'll have to take a turn. There's one right here. No, they're taking it. Where's that one, dude?
Up there.
Oh, yeah, let me go there. There it goes.
What's on this?
That one's coming up here.
Oh, yeah.
Ah. Up there, look. We're going to go up there, okay? Yeah.
Turn around to him. Oh, he has rocket launchers, he turned.
Who cares? We have to reload easily. Ah,
Oh, fast!
No.
I told you.
it's stuck. It was stuck, bro. Can we go?
Yeah. Go.
Say the entrance
What entrance?
in the video.
Oh, that we end? Okay, but after this. If we die, we end. If we win, we still stop. What the Ow! I'm watching, man. Look at that. Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, shoot him, Dad, shoot him. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh no, go,
Over
go.
there, see.
No, they took that.
See.
Yeah. Shoot at them. What about C? Yeah. Whoa, we're about to die. We're about to die, mate. We're about to die. Where's there a crate?
Up there, look.
Look.
Chase A.
Dude, we have to find the crate. Up here. Yes. No. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure subscribe, hit that bell, and turn on notifications. Adios, amigos.